Alright, I wanted to make a quick video for helping people with setting their timing. This is a Force 120 outboard motor, 1992. So the first thing is when you're checking your timing, you gotta jumper the safety switch just right here. So I just made this little wire, attach that to there and that to there to jump that. That's a safety switch for when the boat checks to make sure that it's in neutral. That allows you to override that because you need it to be at full throttle when you're checking the timing. The other thing you need to do is remove the plug wires from each of the plugs, and you need to ground them. All I did was get some 10 gauge wire, jammed it into each one of the plugs, attach it all to one wire down here, and then I personally just grounded it where the other ground is based off of the little list here, but anywhere on the motor would be fine. Once you've set all of this up, you either need to have a remote starter or have somebody help you to put the throttle at full throttle, and you attach your timing light to the first coil here, and then you can either put the positive lead over on the starter, or what I did, I just used the battery and just connected the positive and negative there. Again, you can put the ground wherever you want. Once you've done that, you get your helper to help you and crank the motor over, and there's numbers on the flywheel that are going to spin. Let's see if I can show you those. You can't really see it on this video, but these little marks here has all of the different angles. So those numbers, they're going to spin around when you crank on the throttle. So you have somebody help you, you have them crank on the throttle. You want to line up the numbers right here. So you're pointing your timing light right here. Every time it rotates and the first cylinder fires, since you've attached it to the first cylinder, you're going to see a number here. What you want when the throttle is at full throttle, somebody's cranking it over for you, or you're using your remote start, you want to set this to 28 degrees. To set it, you just move this. There's a lock nut right here, and then you adjust this this screw right there, in or out, whether you need to make the degrees higher or lower. And that's really about it. Again, full throttle, that's important. Grounding out these wires, that's important. Jumping the safety switch, that's important. And be careful, because the prop might spin just a little bit when you do have somebody cranking on the starter. So that's really about it. Alrighty, bye.